To stop baby mobs from growing up in Minecraft, starting in Java Edition 26.1 Snapshot 5, you'll first need to craft a Golden Dandelion. To do that, you'll need to combine 1 dandelion with 8 gold nuggets. Dandelions spawn naturally in most grassy biomes, and gold ore can be mined underground, smelted into gold ingots, and then broken down into nuggets. Using a crafting table, place the dandelion in the center slot and the 8 gold nuggets in the surrounding slots. This will craft a Golden Dandelion. Next, hold the Golden Dandelion and use it on a baby animal. This stops the mob's growth, causing it to stay a baby indefinitely. If you ever want to reverse the effect, simply use another Golden Dandelion on the same mob and it will resume growing normally. A couple quick notes: at the time I'm recording this, Golden Dandelions do not work on hostile mobs or baby villagers, and this feature requires Minecraft Java Edition 26.1 or newer snapshots. You can enable snapshots in the Minecraft launcher, but keep in mind they're not full releases and can sometimes corrupt worlds, so make sure you back up your saves first. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks!